Alright, hopefully this is recording. Got a new camera here. This is the F22 RCPowers, and finally got a new motor on it, but it seems to be acting up. It's got an 1800 milliamp. I got the supersonic V2 in there. Fly is nice. It's not the speed demon, but it's perfect for me. So let's take her in the air again. I don't know if the camera will get all this. It's kind of windy out here. It's a brand new motor. I've only had it in the air once with this plane, about a month ago. And it was making funny noises just a second ago, just conk, conk, conk. They're nice motors, but I'm not sold on them. I think I've bought about 5 of them, and each one of them had a little issue with them. So I think I'm going to have to find some other plane, or other motors. I'm trying to keep it in front of me. The sun's behind me, so it's kind of hard to see. Wind just wants to roll it over. Now there's the sun. I learned the hard way. When you go over your head, pull back on the stick just a little bit. Keep the nose up. Otherwise, you can drill it in the ground pretty fast, and you don't even know you did it. It's actually pretty fast. I'm sure it's not faster than Barry's, but it's fast enough for me to have fun. I just don't get the high alpha thing, so I got it way high so I can try it, but and of course in the sun. That was totally the wrong way I thought it was going. And she's fast, but she's no speed demon, but it's perfect for me. I just like how it just sits on rails. This is still a nice plane to fly. I might have to check into making it about 20%, 25% bigger, and then I think the supersonic, or the Sonic 185, I see that motor's on sale from hobbyparts.com, I think. And it's like a 1300 kV or a 1400 kV. And I've got the Sonic 185. I've only flown it twice. Never crashed it. But it's pretty quick. And there's Barry. And that's my battery. Alright, that's my adventure there. And hey, Barry. So we'll see how good that camera works.